people coughing in here, and I know we're kind of out of the pandemic, but I feel like I might phone the police. It's cancer, not COVID. Wait. Do you have cancer? You did have? Then stop fucking complaining. What are you on about? Get over yourself. You still got hair. What are you talking about? Was it lung cancer? Yeah. That's one of the good ones as well, man. That's top tier cancer. What a heckle! Like, sometimes you don't want them. Most of the time you're like, no, let the comedian do their job. But saying the phrase, it's cancer, not COVID. Woo! Isn't it mad that when you said that, I was relieved? I was like, finally I can relax, okay? She's just got cancer, guys. Chill out, okay? I'm glad that didn't go as badly as it definitely could have. That's up there with I can't breathe. Although I guess you said that before as well. Comedian destroys cancer patient. You're gonna be clickbait tomorrow. You wait. You wait. I'm gonna get on Lad Bible with you, man. We're going to the very top. We're going to the top. No, I'm joking. I'm just trying to get in the will. You guys are a cool crowd, because some crowds get really stressed about everything I say. So it's nice. So, you know, I'm trying to be like a woke, progressive comedian. You know this word woke, like socially aware. All I'm saying is, are you sure you don't have cancer anymore? Because it sounds like you might. Out of context, that sounded so bad. Are the speakers in the toilet? No? You had to take a text message? Bro, that's not a thing. You have to take a phone call, don't you? You don't have to, sorry, I've got a text. Don't tell me you got diagnosed with something as well. What was your text? Your granddad fell over? I'm going on tour in the new year. I hope you all can make it. I hope you can make it.